How do you say hello in Spanish? The word hello in Spanish is hola. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Hola, soy Laura. Hola, soy Laura. Hello, I'm Laura. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Hello, friends. You can use hola in person, in texts, and in letters. But on the phone, Spanish speakers tend to say diga. Diga. Literally, it means say, and they use diga more in Spain. In Latin America, they tend to say bueno, bueno, which means good or well. But hola is a friendly, appropriate term in almost any situation. For example, hola a todos y bienvenidos. Hola a todos y bienvenidos. Hello everyone and welcome. Hola, ¿qué tal tu día? Hola, ¿qué tal tu día? Hello, how was your day? Hola, qué alegría verte. Hola, qué alegría verte. Hello, what a joy to see you. Hola, ¿puedo ayudarte? Hola, ¿puedo ayudarte? Hello, can I help you? So if you want to say hello in Spanish, you say hola. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com and use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.